Welcome back, YouTube. I wanted to show a video on how to remove the stock airbox on an N63 engine. So I personally have a 550i, but this is applicable to many models that have the N63 engine. I get this question all the time, so I thought I'd just do a short video on it. The first thing that you have to do is remove the engine cover, which there's mounting brackets on the bottom at about 6 different places on the engine cover. There's one right there. So all I do is just kind of slide and lift this up, and the other ones will lift up as well if you just kind of lift up on it, and they'll all come up. So it's really just lifted up. Now I went ahead and loosened some things up only because it's easier for me to show you this and hold the camera at the same time. But the first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect the mass flow air sensor. And I normally just take a flathead screwdriver, get it in there, and just lift up and then slide out. So now the mass flow air sensor is disconnected. There's a screw that goes here, and there's a screw that goes under here, which I've already taken out just for the ease of the video. The next thing you're going to want to do is unscrew this bracket here that goes to the airbox. Get it nice and loose. Okay, the next thing you want to do here, there's an air duct on the bottom and there's a notch on the side. So normally I just take a screwdriver, get it off the notch and just pull on it. There we go. Now it's disconnected. The other thing you're going to want to do, there's a screw up here that's close to the O2 sensors. There's one on each side. You can see the one here I already taken out, but there'll be one on this side too. Right by the O2 sensors. These you want to just remove. That's the only screw on the airbox that you have to take out. Now all you have to do is lift up on the airbox. There's 2 studs underneath that holds it in place. This right here, you just want to make sure you slide it out, this orange thing, and the box comes right out. Like that. So that is your stock airbox on the N63 engine on the right hand side. And just repeat the steps on the other side and you're good to go. All you need is a flathead screwdriver and a Torx 25 for the mass flow air sensor. That's it. Thanks for watching.